Hey everyone, this is lesson one, level six. This is where you're just playing sounds. And all of these work, A, B, and C kind of work the same way, but D, you have some other things you may have to do in there. So we'll take a gander at that as well. But here is A. So in my theater runner class, I instantiate a new object, got it. I call the draw scene method, and then I call the play scene method for the theater. So in my fashion scene, I've got my class that extends the scene, and I've got my constructor down here, and my private instance variable. So this is all good. And I have my draw scene method. So it takes whatever the background image is. And then I need to just add on the sound file. So that's the sound file up there. So this will work like this. I'm just going to go play sound, and I want to play my sound file. Except there's got a capital F. And this really is all there is for this. As long as I didn't make a spelling error. So these all kind of work the same way. I think what's missing though in part D, which we will see, is that there's no constructor. So we'll need to make a constructor because that doesn't exist. And maybe some private instance variables. So let's go back to 6 and let's go to D where we add our own music. So in the theater runner class, I need to instantiate a music scene object. Then I need to call the draw scene method and with the sound file that you uploaded to the asset manager. So we will upload a file to the asset manager later, but let's look at the music scene. So here's my class, but you'll notice there are no instance variables. And I think we probably need one. So I'm going to go private string, and I'll call it sound file. And now this is a method, but there is no constructor. So let's go public, nope, not with a capital P, public music scene, and we will pass it a string. The only thing we need to pass it is the sound file because they already do in the draw image, they already have the motivation JPEG down there. So that's going to get played automatically. So I'm going to put in my my sound, and this, I guess I should call it sound file, shouldn't I? So I can go this dot sound file equals sound file. So, and then the only thing that is left to do is go to the asset manager, and I've got a couple of things that I've uploaded. I'll grab this one. This is MeWave. Yes. So I'm going to copy that title. That's what I uploaded, and I'm going to go play sound file. And so the only thing I have to do is when I instantiate this object is I need to make sure I pass it the sound file, which is a string. So let's go back here to the theater runner and let's instantiate a new music scene. So music scene, my scene is a new music scene object that has that passed to it. Then I need to take my scene and draw the scene. And then I need to take the theater and I need to play scenes. And I need to put my scene in there. All right, so let's see if this works. Oh, I think I need to pass it. I need to pass it the sound file. So I forgot to do that. So oh, interesting. I guess I could have taken that out. Let's see if this does it. This is me. There you go. That worked. All right. Have fun with it, kids.